That glare right here. We have to figure out how to get that glare out of the photo. So some of these are not the best angle. I probably can finesse this, but let's look at the other backdrop. Let me get my angles right. Okay, so today's video might be a little crazy. What we're going to try to do is use a TV as a backdrop in like a professional photo shoot. Now, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't even know if it's going to turn out right. This is either going to be like super terrible or the most beautiful picture in the world. But we're basically going to go through the process. We're going to like pick the backdrop. We're going to set up some lighting, like get some makeup and costume ready or whatever. And then we're just going to take the photos and just edit it and see if we can make it look like actual real backdrop and edit to where you can't really tell it's a TV. So that's what we're going to try to do. Just stay tuned and see if this is going to work or not. I don't really know if it will, but we're gonna figure it out together. Yeah, so let's get started. So what I'm thinking is either this backdrop and like kind of just pause it, or I was thinking maybe something like this and like pause it, or something like this or just pause it. So I don't know. We're gonna kind of test it out and see on the actual TV and see, you know, what it is and what it ain't. See how this backdrop is looking. Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Like, I probably can finesse this, but let's look at the other backdrop. This is the other backdrop. I don't know. This one don't look bad either. But I don't know. What do you guys think? This one's not bad either. I actually kind of like this one. My camera's kind of crooked, but I don't know. I honestly think it's between like one and 3.
No,
So I feel like this, like the glares on this will be really nice and edited.
I don't know.
Maybe I'll do the first and third one.
Play.
Let's see, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so the hair is like semi-done. I can like make it look a little better. I was thinking about doing like a red lip, because I don't know if I want these to be black and white or not. So I think we should do a red lip. We'll just start doing like a little makeup and wardrobe stuff and see how that goes. That glare right here, we have to figure out how to get that glare out of the photo. Honestly, I feel like that's like the best it's gonna get. You see a little bit of glare right here, but at this point, just crop it out. This is pretty much the setup here. Like a little monitor, the camera, lighting. We got like the window lighting here, the TV. Ooh, that looks bad on this camera. Definitely don't look that bad on the camera. So I guess we'll start getting started. Oh, there's my bathroom. We'll start getting started taking the photos and seeing how they turn out. Okay, so we did the photo shoot, we did the background, so now we're gonna go through these photos and hope that we have something that we can edit and looks decent. So let's go through these photos and hopefully we got something and we didn't bomb here. Some of these aren't bad. Some of these are not the best angle, but like even this one's kind of like that and that. Like it's so slight, but it makes such a big difference. I think I like this one better. That was actually kind of decent. My eyes are kind of weird. I kind of like it though. I kind of like the second photo better. I don't know. It's kind of like illuminating.